Jai Jagannath, Honorable External Affairs Minister Sri S. Jaisankar ji, Honorable Union Minister, Youth Affairs and Sports Dr. Mansukh Mandavia ji, CEO and co-founder Neojoy from USA, Dr. Dev Pragad ji, Honorable Minister of State, External Affairs, Sri Kirti Vardhan Singh ji, Honorable Union Minister of State, Youth Affairs and Sports, Srimati Raksha Nikhil Khadse ji, Honorable Union Minister of State for External Affairs, Sri Pavitra Margarita ji, समस्तंको नमस्कार। मु सारा ओडिशावासी तरफरु आपण मानंकु समस्तंकु ओडिशा को एवं मंदिर मालिनी सहर भुवनेश्वर को स्वागत करुछि। आपण मानंकर उपस्थिति आज भुवनेश्वर रे आनिछि आनंदर लहरी, खुशीर संभार। एही किछि दिन धरी ओडिशावासी अजस्र स्नेह और श्रद्धार सहित आपण मानंक अपेक्षा रे थिले। आज से अपेक्षार अंत होइछि। मु आशा करुछि भुवनेश्वर रे प्रथम थर पई अनुष्ठित ही उत्सव आपण मानंक पई एवं आम पई जीवनर एक अभूला स्मृति हेई रहिबो। आउ आगामी दिन रे ए संपर्कर सेतु आहुरी सुदृढ़ हब। वेलकम टू द लैंड ऑफ लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ। वेलकम टू ओडिशा एंड टू द सिटी ऑफ टेम्पल सिटी ऑफ भुवनेश्वर। Bhubaneswar is now ready to welcome you in every corner and at every square. This is an occasion celebrated to honor the invaluable contributions of Indians worldwide and to explore new opportunities for brotherhood and collaboration. Hosting this prestigious event here in Odisha is a matter of immense honor and pride for us. It is a confluence of ideas, cultures, and achievements that showcase the strength of global Indian identity. Friends, today we celebrate the exceptional contributions of over 30 million Indians living across 200 countries. You are our cultural ambassadors, embodying the essence of India in your host nations, and you are our pride. When you excel abroad, we rejoice here. From being front runners in science and technology, to leading global corporations, to shaping policies in government across the world, the Indian diaspora has demonstrated resilience and excellence. Top business leaders like Gopi Chand Hinduja and Ellen Mittal, CEOs like Indira Nai, Sundar Pichai, and Satya Nadella, scientists like Venkat Ramakrishnan, fashion designers like Vibhu Mahapatra have brought immense pride for our motherland. You have embraced the cultures of your adopted home countries while nurturing and sharing the values of India, values rooted in family, community, and humanity. This year's theme, Diaspora's Contribution to a Vikasit Bharat, recognizes and celebrates the contributions of Indian diaspora in building a Vikasit Bharat in the Amrit Kal. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to take you on a walk through Odisha, the land that warmly welcomes you today. Odisha is a land of timeless heritage. Odisha is a treasure trove of history, culture and natural beauty. From the majestic Sun Temple at Konark to the sacred Jagannath Temple in Puri, our state is home to some of the most iconic landmarks of Indian civilization. I would like all of you to explore nature's secret in Odisha and take a little bit of Odisha along with you. While Odisha's past is steeped in history, its present is defined by transformation and progress. Today, Odisha stands as a leader in mining and industries such as steel, aluminium, while emerging as a hub for sports, IT and skill development. Skill in Odisha is a preferred brand name. We have been making significant strides in education, healthcare and infrastructure, ensuring inclusive growth and sustainable development. Our recognition as a sports powerhouse is testament to our commitment to excellence. Friends, to our brothers and sisters in the diaspora, I extend an open invitation to reconnect with your roots and rediscover the magic of Odisha. Whether it is through cultural exchanges, business ventures, or educational collaborations, we welcome your ideas, investments, and entrepreneurship. In Odisha, opportunities abound in sectors such as technology, renewable energy, infrastructure development, education, and tourism. We also value the role of the diaspora in promoting brand Odisha globally. You are our ambassadors, bridging cultures and creating opportunities for Odisha on the world stage. प्रिय मित्रों, हमें पता है आप जहां भी रहते हैं, इंडिया आपके दिल में बसता है। आपके अचीवमेंट्स हमें खुशी देता है। आपके लिए हम सब गर्व करते हैं। भुवनेश्वर में इस कार्यक्रम करने के लिए मैं माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को और विदेश मंत्रालय को धन्यवाद देता हूं। मैं चाहूंगा कि आप सब इन 3 दिनों में ओडिशा के संस्कृति और ऐतिह्य के बारे में जानें। पुरी, कोणार्क, धौड़ी, चिलिका लेक आदि बहुत सारे पर्यटन स्थल को जाएं और इसके साथ ओडिशा के लेजीज खाने डालमा, रसगुल्ला और छेनापोड़ के मजा भी लीजिए। भुवनेश्वर में इस अवसर पर बहुत सारे कल्चरल प्रोग्राम हो रहा है। आप सब ये सभी देखना चाहिए। इससे ओडिशा के साथ आपका रिश्ता और भी मजबूत होगा और ये रिश्ता अटूट रहेगा। Dear friends, before I conclude, let me leave you with a message of hope and determination. Together, we are stronger. Together, we can build a Viksit Odisha, a Viksit Bharat. Once again, I welcome you to Odisha. Let this Pravasi Bharatiya Divas be a celebration of our past, a reflection of our present, and a vision for our future. This event, I believe, will be a hallmark in cementing our bond as a family. Thank you for being here. धन्यवाद. जय जगन्नाथ. वंदे उत्कल जननी. भारत माता की जय.